How to fix Gmail session expired error. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you on how you can fix the session expired problem or error in your Gmail. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and easy, so let me guide it through. Now, if you're having problems with Gmail expired or session expired problem, then it is probably due to inactivity on your account. Now what you can do is, in order to fix this issue, simply scroll down the notification bar, tap on the settings, the gear icon at the top right. Now once here you are on the settings, here on the settings page, now you can scroll down and you want to head into the option here that says account and backup. As you can see there on the screen, account and backup, you want to tap on it. Once you tap on it here, now you're going to simply tap on here manage accounts option, and now you'll get the list of accounts on your device. Simply tap on the particular Gmail account that you're having a problem with, and once you do so, you're going to tap on remove account, and once you remove the account again, you want to log in back again. So once you log in back again, this should fix the issue. This is how you can fix Gmail session expired. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.